Mars, named after the Roman god of war, came into existence around 4.5 billion years ago, just a little after the birth of our own planet, Earth. This fiery ball of gas and dust slowly cooled down over millions of years to form a solid surface. Around 3 billion years ago, Mars was a much different planet than the one we know today. It was warmer, wetter, and had a thicker atmosphere capable of supporting liquid water on its surface. Imagine rivers flowing, lakes shimmering, and perhaps, just perhaps, life stirring. As we fast forward to about 2 billion years ago, Mars started to lose its magnetic field, a protective shield that prevents the solar wind from stripping away the atmosphere. Over time, this led to the loss of most of its atmosphere, turning Mars into a cold and dry planet, much like the one we see today. The first human-made object to touch the Martian surface was the Soviet Union's Mars 2 spacecraft, which crash-landed on the planet in November 1971. This was followed by the successful landing of Mars 3 a few days later, marking the first successful mission to the Martian surface. Fast forward to the 21st century, Mars has become a hotbed for scientific exploration. From NASA's Spirit and Opportunity rovers that have uncovered evidence of past water activity to the Curiosity rover that is currently exploring the Gale crater, a site believed to have been habitable in the past. Now we stand on the brink of human exploration of Mars. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2024 as a stepping stone for future Mars missions. The ambitious goal is to send humans to Mars in the 2030s. To recap, Mars, the red planet fourth from the Sun, is a world of wonder with a rich history. Born 4.5 billion years ago, it once had a warm and wet climate, only to lose most of its atmosphere and become the cold, dry planet we know today. It has been the subject of numerous missions with the ultimate aim of sending humans to explore its surface. So, as we look up at the night sky, let's remember that the red dot we see is not just a planet, but a world with its own story, waiting for us to uncover its secrets.